Long-distance combat drones launched from a United States military facility in Ghana have successfully neutralized a major terrorist enclave in Sokoto State following an intelligence-driven security collaboration between the Nigerian government and United States African Command AFRICOM. Multiple security sources confirmed that the operation deployed advanced long-range unmanned aerial systems supported by naval strike capabilities, allowing for precision engagement while significantly minimizing collateral damage. Footage released by the Pentagon showed at least one projectile launched from a U.S. naval platform, forming part of a coordinated strike package executed against confirmed terrorist locations in northwest Nigeria. Security officials disclosed that the strike specifically targeted foreign-linked terror cells, including elements associated with Lakurawa and Jenny groups. Intelligence reports revealed that the groups were mobilizing fighters from Burkina Faso and Mali with plans to launch coordinated attacks across parts of Sokoto State during the Christmas and New Year festivities. A defense intelligence source speaking to PR Nigeria on condition of anonymity said the operation was built on a 24-hour intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance ISR loop jointly operated by U.S. personnel stationed in Ghana and Nigeria Military Intelligence Command. According to the source, the operation was carefully planned and highly selective, with surveillance architecture designed to ensure that only confirmed terrorist combatants, logistic hubs, and movement corridors were engaged. The source added that civilian settlement, farmlands, and livestock roads were deliberately excluded from the strike envelope, reflecting strict rules of engagement. Security officials noted that Nigeria's recent formal designation of armed bandit groups as terrorists provided the legal framework for international military assistance involving kinetic operations. Intercepted communications, officials said, had revealed a massive convergence of fighters moving through Sahelian corridors into Nigeria, raising concerns of a coordinated regional escalation involving extremist groups operating across Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger. For the United States, the operation aligns with broader strategic efforts to contain transnational jihadist movements and disrupt cross-border terror logistics in West Africa. Sources confirmed that the strike followed high-level diplomatic and military coordination, ensuring full clearance of target areas before drone deployment. Officials' confirmation of the operation later emerged from both Washington and Abuja on Christmas Day. Statement attributed to U.S. President Donald Trump indicated that the strikes were personally authorized in response to what he described as the vicious killing of innocent citizens by ISIS-linked elements operating in northwest Nigeria. The US Africa Command also confirmed that the operation was carried out at the request of the Nigerian government, describing it as a joint counter-terrorism mission. Nigerian Ministry of Foreign Affairs similarly acknowledged the coordination, stating that real-time intelligence sharing enabled precision hits on multiple terrorist targets. Following the operation, Nigeria's armed forces reinforced deployments across key borders, local government areas including Gudu, Tangaza, and Binji, to prevent regrouping by fleeing fighters and to ensure communities throughout the festive period. Meanwhile, U.S. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth hinted that further operations may follow, posting on social media more to come. Security analysts say the successful neutralization of terror enclave has disrupted a major plot aimed at destabilizing Sokoto State and surrounding border communities during the holidays. This is Sleep TV.